Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Max. I'm a full-time makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Today is a very special day because we're going to be unboxing a box that I was not expecting. This was completely NPR. I had no idea it was going to arrive. When it showed up, I was completely shocked, and it's actually really heavy. So I'm going to go grab it and I'll be right back. Okay, let me make sure I can get it all the way in frame. This right here, okay? This is what I'm talking about. Like, I have zero words. I'm over the moon. I don't even know what's inside. All I know is that I'm gonna love it. Okay. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm scared to open it, you guys. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to open it? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. The first item is this lip and cheek in the shade Rally. Apparently this went viral all over the internet and people were going crazy about it. So I got one of these. Oh my. This is the Kush Brow Lamination Gel. Now, I've never tried it personally, but I know a lot of people come in for it at Sephora. It did win 2 beauty awards, so I'm actually so thankful that I have this, and I'm gonna have to try this in a whole different video. I saw these Odyssey lip oil glosses launch and I wanted to get my hands on them, but lately I haven't been buying makeup because I already have so much and you can only have so much. So I have only been like waiting to buy things if I really need them. But this is in the shade Globetrot, which I have to open it now because I just want to toss it on my lips and see what it looks like. But oh my god, this frosty blue reflect. Okay, let's just go ahead and put it on. I've been seeing people use this with a ooh, okay, I've been seeing people do this with a black lip liner. Oh my god, gorgeous. And I think frosty lips are gonna be coming back. I think the frosty lip trend is definitely gonna be back. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, now, she needs no introduction. This is the Milk Hydro Grip. Everybody already knows about her. She has gripping power. She makes your makeup last all day long. I already have like 3 of them, but I use this in my makeup kit. I'm going to use this continually in my makeup kit. Great for dry skin, even oily skin. As long as you want your makeup to last all day, this is going to be a primer for you. I've seen it work with silicone foundations, water-based foundations. Literally anything goes on top and it fits perfect. So yeah, love this item. Can't recommend it enough. That's why it's included in the 2023 best of, because it really is that girl. This is the Bionic Glow highlighter. Now you can use this under foundation or over foundation as a nice glowy highlight. I haven't used this before, but I'm so excited to have one and I can't wait to try it out. Next item is the Kush mascara. Now this is so popular if you want something super voluminous and just have your lashes be on like another world. I would say I haven't tried this on my own lashes, but I've seen it work for so many other people, and I'm gonna try it out because now I have it. This is the Infinity Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Outer Space, which is the black. You can use this to do your waterline or you can smudge it out. I've never tried this before either, but I'm also very happy I have it and I can't wait to try it in the next couple videos, see how I love it. Last but not least is the Pore Eclipse Mattifying Setting Spray. Now, this has been super viral. I saw so many creators use this. I just didn't really pick it up because I didn't really have the money and I didn't know if I wanted to spend it because I have so many other setting sprays that I really love. But now that I have it, I'm really happy to try it, put it to the test, see how long it makes my makeup last, and it might even be included in my makeup kit. So yeah, stay tuned and see if I actually love it. This is such a cute beanie. I've never actually worn beanies. I don't even know if they look good on me, but I love this one. I'm gonna put it on right now. Should I put it on right now? I should put it on right now. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out more of my content here on YouTube. You can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, I hope you have a great holiday season, and I can't wait to see you in 2024. Milk, thank you again for sending this box, and I can't wait to see what you have in store for us in 2024. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, everybody.